Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Danelia, I'll go by the name Traderdenzz. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $1,000 trading gold today on one single trade. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share the video. Thank you guys. Let's go into the charts. So starting on a daily time frame, I can see that we are very bullish. You can see that yesterday we closed bullish. We've been bullish for the past how many days now? We've been bullish for basically the whole week. We've been bullish for. So I was just following the trend. So I went into a 4-hour time frame, and then on the 4-hour time frame, I could see that we was at this resistance here, and we was finding it hard to break this level here. So I knew this was a strong area of resistance. So then I went down to a 1-hour time frame. I marked out my support. and my resistance area over here. And what I was waiting for was a breakthrough above this level over here, and a retest and a rejection towards the upside. So I was looking for buys because we are in an uptrend on gold. We've been trending on gold for a long time now, so I was just following the trend. So once I got this breakthrough above this level over here, I came down to a 5-minute time frame, and then on the 5-minute time frame, I can see that we managed to break this level over here. Managed to break it. We managed to come back down for a retest. We managed to reject from this level and close above our moving average and our previous 5-minute highs and structure. And then I waited for price to come back into my entry, which was over here. So when price closed above this moving average and previous highs and structure, price immediately went up over here. And then I waited for price to come back down to my entry, and that's when I entered. I was in a bit of drawdown, as you guys can see over here. I was in a bit of drawdown, but the trade played out fine. I caught a 1 to 2, and that's how I made 1,000 today. And right now, price on gold is just trending higher and higher. We are at some sort of resistance over here. So if we can break above this level as well, I will also be looking for buys. If not, I'll probably wait for price to come back down to this level over here and see what price wants to do when it comes down here. But that's how I caught a 1 to 2 trade in gold today. I made $1,000 in one trade. I was in the trade for like 20 minutes, I would say. I was in the trade for 20 minutes. So yeah, it was a good trade. It was simple. And yeah, that's what trading is about, guys. Your strategy doesn't need to be hard. It's meant to be simple, so you can get into trades easily. Like, from you understand your strategy, you understand your system and your plan, you will know what you're doing in the markets. It'll be easy. So long as your trading is simple, don't overcomplicate it, then you can start being profitable in trading, master your mindset, and you guys will be good. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys check out the other videos I have on my channel. I will help you guys a lot. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.